Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence. Specifically, we're going to talk about the jobs that AI might completely transform or even make obsolete right here in America by 2025. Is your job on the list? Stick around to find out, because the future is arriving faster than we think, and being prepared is our best strategy. First up, let's talk about a role many of us interact with daily: cashiers and retail workers. Think about it. Self-checkout lanes are already everywhere, from your local grocery store to big box retailers. Amazon Go stores have taken this a step further, creating a just walk-out experience. AI-powered systems can track what you pick up and charge your account automatically. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening now. The drive for efficiency and cost-cutting means businesses are heavily investing in these technologies. By 2025, we could see a massive reduction in the need for human cashiers. As AI handles transactions faster and more accurately, this shift will force a significant portion of the retail workforce to adapt and learn new skills, perhaps moving into roles that require more human interaction, like customer experience or specialized product support. Next on our list, a profession that has been the backbone of many industries for decades: data entry clerks. For years, these jobs have involved manually inputting vast amounts of information into digital systems. It's repetitive, time-consuming, and prone to human error. Now, this is exactly the kind of task that AI excels at. Modern AI, using technologies like optical character recognition, or OCR, can now read documents, handwritten notes, in forms with incredible speed and accuracy. It can then sort, categorize, and enter that data into databases in a fraction of the time it would take a person. Companies are quickly realizing that automating this process not only saves money, but also frees up human employees for more complex analytical tasks. As AI continues to get smarter and more integrated into business software, the traditional role of a data entry clerk is likely to diminish significantly, becoming a relic of a pre-automated era. Coming in at number 3 is a role that has already seen massive disruption: telemarketers and customer service representatives. How many of you have received a call that you quickly realized was an automated bot, or interacted with a chatbot on a website to solve a simple problem? AI-powered voice bots and chatbots are becoming incredibly sophisticated. They can handle thousands of customer inquiries simultaneously, 24/7, without getting tired or frustrated. They can answer common questions, process orders, and even escalate complex issues to a human agent when necessary. While there will always be a need for human empathy and complex problem-solving in customer service, AI is poised to take over the vast majority of routine, first-level support tasks. This means the call centers of today might look very different by 2025, with fewer agents handling a higher volume of basic queries and more specialized teams focusing on high-value customer interactions. The fourth job on our list might surprise some of you: truck and taxi drivers. The rise of autonomous vehicles is one of the most talked-about advancements in AI. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are pouring billions of dollars into developing self-driving technology. While fully autonomous, Level 5 cars that can drive anywhere in any condition are still a ways off, the progress in limited environments is staggering. We're already seeing self-driving trucks being tested on major highways for long-haul routes. These routes are relatively straightforward and predictable, making them perfect for automation. Similarly, autonomous taxi services, or robotaxis, are already operating in select cities like Phoenix and San Francisco. As the technology improves and regulations adapt, the economic incentive to replace human drivers eliminating salaries, breaks, and human error will be immense. The entire transportation and logistics industry is on the cusp of a revolution, and the role of the professional driver is right at the center of it. Finally, the fifth job that AI is set to disrupt is one that requires a great deal of precision and knowledge: basic paralegals and legal assistants. The legal field is famous for its mountains of paperwork, research, and document review. Traditionally, this work has fallen to paralegals and junior associates. They spend countless hours sifting through case law, contracts, and evidence for a process called discovery. But AI is changing the game. AI-powered software can now scan and analyze millions of documents in minutes, identifying relevant information, flagging inconsistencies, and even predicting legal outcomes with surprising accuracy. This automation doesn't replace the need for skilled lawyers to build a case strategy or argue in court, but it drastically reduces the need for the manual, labor-intensive research that has been a staple of the profession. By 2025, law firms that embrace this technology will be able to operate more efficiently, potentially reducing the number of entry-level legal support staff they need to hire. So after hearing that list, you might be feeling a little worried. That's a completely normal reaction. But here's the crucial takeaway. This isn't about the end of work. It's about the evolution of work. History has shown us that every technological revolution, from the printing press to the internet, has displaced certain jobs while creating brand new ones we couldn't have imagined before. Who would have thought social media manager or cloud computing engineer would be a career path 20 years ago? The key is not to fear the change, but to prepare for it. The jobs of the future will likely require skills that AI can't easily replicate. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. This is a wake-up call for all of us to become lifelong learners. We need to be adaptable, willing to upskill, and ready to embrace the tools that AI provides to make us better at what we do. Think of AI less as a replacement and more as a powerful collaborator. What does this mean for you, practically? It means looking at your current role and identifying the repetitive tasks that could be automated. Then, focus on developing the parts of your job that require uniquely human skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, and network with people in growing fields. If you're in one of the industries we mentioned, start exploring adjacent roles that require more strategic thinking or customer-facing skills. For example, a retail worker could transition into visual merchandising or a customer experience specialist. A data entry clerk could learn data analysis to interpret the information that AI gathers. The future belongs to those who adapt. Don't wait for the wave of change to hit you. Learn to surf on it. The opportunities will be there for those who are prepared to seize them. And that is our look at 5 jobs that AI could dramatically change by 2025. This isn't meant to be a doom and gloom prediction, but a realistic conversation about where the world of work is heading. The future is exciting, and being informed is the first step toward thriving in it. What do you think? Is your job safe, or are you already seeing AI make an impact in your field? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content about technology in the future. We'll see you in the next one.